What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So jumping straight into this video, it is a boxy time. Yeah, it's a Boxycharm time. It's that time of the month for Boxycharm. So if you guys are interested to see what I got in my Boxycharm this month, then keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and comment something down below, and let's get into this video. Okay, so we got our Boxycharm. I will link my boxy kind of code thing down below for like as a reference if you guys are interested. But this is what my box is looking like. This month we did get a card, which I think the past 2 months we weren't getting cards, which is like really weird. Or yeah, so here is my card, and it shows me everything that I got in my box and what it retails for. So let's get into this box. So I'm just gonna start picking random stuff out, and I'll let you guys know if I've tried any of this or anything like that. So the first thing that I got in my Boxycharm is the Benefit, the Professional Pore Primer. So this is what I got. This retails for $32. So that's a hefty price for this small tube. Yeah, it's pretty tiny. It's 22 mLs. I've actually never tried this out before. I've always wanted to try it out. I think they have a hydrating one as well, but I don't think this is a hydrating one, but it's supposed to smooth out your pores and stuff. So I'll be using this probably in the next few videos and see how I like it. I know a lot of people rave about that. Next thing that I got were some brushes. So it came in this cute little packaging. It's called Lavish. And sorry if I'm looking down below, I have my card right down there. And this retails for 29 bucks. So you get a nice brush. You can blend your water lash line. You have a blending brush, and these are super soft and fluffy. So that's really nice. Can get a good crease moment in there. Then we have more tapered brush right here, really cute. And then we have a kind of like a liner or a lip liner brush, whatever you want to use it for. So you can either line your lips or just do a nice flick. And the last brush that we have in here is a actual liner brush. So you can go ahead and go in there, or you can use this as a brush for your eyebrows, and it has a nice spoolie in the end. So these are nice, they're colorful. They got 5 brushes, so that is really cool. I can never be mad at getting any type of brushes. The next thing, I have tried this out only one time. It's the LMS Super Food Sika Calm Hydration Juice, and that is what this looks like right here. Sorry about the nails. Quarantine got us all messed up, so this is what my nails are looking like, y'all. But this retails for $48. I did choose this between like 2 other products, I want to say. So anything hydration, I love. I love to try to keep my skin hydrated and everything. I did try this out the other night when I got my Boxycharm, and I will say it does leave your skin looking like hydrated and stuff, but to the touch it is a little bit sticky. But I do want to keep on trying this out. It is a glass bottle, and it's 50 mLs, so it is 1.6 fluid ounces. It's glass, so I'm gonna have to keep trying this out, see how I like it and stuff, since I only used it one time. Next thing I'm so excited to get is the Iconic London Illuminator. I think we got something from, was it there? I got another illuminator, but I don't know if it was from Iconic. I don't think it was actually. But this retails for $41. So what shade is this? It just says original. So I guess I got original. Let's see. So it has like a little dropper. And I've seen a lot of people, they'll put this on their skin first and then they'll go and apply some foundation on top to give a illuminated look. But this is the color. It's more of like a bronzy tone. I'll kind of apply a little bit here. So that like gave it an extra pop to the skin. And I've actually been wanting to like have this for the longest time because of the glow. Like looking in the mirror, it's like it's in your face. Like for real, I don't even think the camera's doing it justice. In person, I'm glowing to the gods right now. But how much does this retail? 41 bucks. I think I already said that. So that is the illuminator. And the last thing that I got was this. I already opened it. The makeup eraser. It is a makeup remover. So, and this is from Sunset. Let me see. The original makeup eraser Sunset. So this retails for $22. Isn't that crazy that this retails for 22 bucks? It's like super soft. It says the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. So we're gonna have to try that out. Erase all makeup with just water. Okay. Erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. Made with premium patent polyester, featuring millions of hair-like fibers that work as a suction for dirt, makeup, and oil. So that's very interesting. This thing is $22. That's blowing my mind. But it's super soft. So I'm gonna try this out later on tonight probably. I really don't have like that much makeup on, really like any. I just wanted to like glow and just like kind of let my skin breathe since I've been picking at it like crazy, you guys. But this is what I got my Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys got in yours. Be sure to comment down below. Let me know what y'all got. And were you happy with what you're getting in your Boxycharm? Because I know it's really been a hit or a miss. Like, I don't know. It's still up in the air. Do we keep Boxycharm or do we not? Do we move on? I don't know. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.